And to show you what I'm dealing with the dryer line, you see I'm gonna need the light down there anyway, but you'll see I got the firewall way back there. The dryer line is at least the upper line, which makes it halfway decent. But as an example here, try to navigate through all of this just with a little camera, just to be able to show you where that is. That's my clamp on it. And so doesn't it look like fun? Huh? Who's the engineer that did this, Ford? Okay, so let's see if that camera will stay there with me getting on the truck. All right, so you gotta navigate through here. All right, get your hand up there and then pull. And here again. It's not coming off. Come on, baby. Give it up. So as things go, that hose, AC hose backed by the firewall kicked my butt last night. I went back to square one with this tool and heard that little click, started pulling on that hose, and there we go. Hose is off. It came off just nice once I heard the click, and I do not actually see any reason in there why I should have had so much trouble. So here's the compressor. I gotta take this connector off, disconnect the hose, and take the connector bolts loose. I see 3, so we'll take that apart. So the electrical connector here has a simple lever. Again, you pull out on the lever a little bit and pull up, and it comes right out of there. Here's the bolt. Holds both hoses on. Simple 12 millimeter short socket, loosens it up. Once you get that bolt out, the hose just comes off. So there's 2 bolts on the block right here and, well, right here and here to hold that reservoir bracket on. There's the second bolt. Got to be a third one. Yep. There's stuff you got to do. Now it looks like I can actually get that bolt out without actually taking that other one all the way out. So this is the third compressor mounting bolt. Urgh. Okay, so we got all 3 bolts out. And that one. And so the compressor is completely loose, ready to come off. Hey, lift it off. Brand new compressor from Murray Climate Control. Replacement compressor, brand new. It was like, well, this compressor was like 183 bucks at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Okay, this compressor supposedly comes with 3 ounces of oil in it. This compressor is pre-charged with 3 ounces of oil. You must add the recommended amount and type. On the Ford truck, it requires 9 ounces of PAG 46 oil, according to the information that I found on the internet. Now I'm going to very carefully pour this oil down into the compressor because it's carefully measured. I'm confident that I have 7 ounces of oil in the compressor right now.